What's up everybody, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how I made this picture using only Photoshop. Now I'm gonna walk you through step by step on what I did, how I did it, and I'm gonna speed up the process of doing it so you don't waste your time. Right, so let's get started. Okay, so first I found this picture of a guy holding a mirror in the desert. The idea behind this is actually to make the mirror see-through so you can see the desert behind him actually, and to make it night, so outside is a day but inside the frame is a night. All right, so I started cutting the frame. Alright, so here I wanted to make the desert behind him, so I just took the sample right next to him actually. I just copy pasted in the frame and fix it up a little bit. That's about it. Alright, so I found this picture of this beautiful moon. So to blend it all in, make a little bit of light on the edge there. And add a light to the moon to make it shine. So the next thing I did is actually I cut the around him. You see the gray background. I wanted to be like a little bit more brighter, bluer sky. So I decided to cut him and put on the blue sky. Okay, so here I found this great image with a beautiful sky and I decided to add it and blend it in. Last thing adding before final blending is actually I added those birds as a little effect. I think it's cool. And in the end I use camera raw filter to blend that all in to make it look cool, to make it look realistic, and that's about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and turn on post notifications, and if you want to use any of these methods that I used, you're free to use them as much as you want. You know, if you want to make exact same image and if you're gonna post it on social media, make sure to give me a credit. Alright, okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye.